Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This is essential for getting a complete overview of all your financial accounts in one place, making it easier to manage your business finances and track account types. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Now direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various navigation options. Look for the section labeled Accountant and click on it. This will expand a menu with several accounting-related features. From this expanded menu, go ahead and click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all your account information is organized and accessible. You'll now be directed to the Chart of Accounts page, which displays all the accounts registered under your Zoho Books account. This page is your central hub for viewing account details and managing how they're organized. At the top left part of the page, you'll notice a drop-down arrow. Click on it to access different view options for your chart of accounts. This feature lets you customize how you see your accounts, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for based on your preferences. Take some time to browse through all the accounts listed on this page. Pay attention to the Account Name tab and the Account Type, as these help you identify and categorize each account quickly. If you need to add a new account, simply click the plus New button located at the top right part of the page. Additionally, you can use the sort feature by clicking on the three-dot icon, which gives you more control over how your accounts are arranged. There's also an option to import or export your chart of accounts, which is particularly useful if you're migrating data or sharing information with your accountant. And that's it. You now have full access to view and manage your chart of accounts in Zoho Books, giving you better control over your financial organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.